Hä? Wo ist denn meine Waffe hin? Nee, habe ich die jetzt aus Versehen gewechselt. Fuck. Ich probiere nochmal die Smart Pistol aus.
Okay.
Das Cloak, das müssten wir auch wieder abbrechen können, ey. Total nervig.
Oh.
2 minutes.
Hardpoint Charlie just went offline. All units, take Charlie back now.
Fuck. Burn. So, jetzt hab ich mal. Boah, Alter, die Burn Card geht mal ab, ey.
Pilot, your Titan will be ready in 60 seconds.
We're taking Bravo.
Pilot, your Titan will be ready in 30 seconds.
Level 10.
Nice. Alter, geht es bei dir schnell.
Your Titan is ready to drop. Signal when ready.
This hardpoint's secured, but we still need Charlie. Get over there and secure the terminal. All units, the militia are slightly ahead of us, but there's plenty of time to move it around. Get it done. Let's go.
Ich bin surrounded by Titans, Alter.
We just
Ah,
got
gut.
Hardpoint Bravo. Get over there and patch me in.
Nee, das sind's feindliche.
Oh, das ist doch nicht gut.
Nee.
Stand by for Titanfall.
We're taking Bravo.
Pilot mode engaged. Warning, heavy damage incoming.
Boah, das war knapp.
Point Alpha. I got nothing. Someone get over there.
Warning, recovery recommended. Warning, a hostile pilot is attached to the hull. Enemy Titan.
We're taking Alpha.
Be advised, your replacement Titan will be ready in 2 minutes.
Challenge complete. Jawohl.
We're now in control of Hardpoint Alpha.
Schon ein paar geile Moves hier kann man da machen, ey. Mit den Walljumps.
Mhm.
We got Bravo. Just lost Alpha.
Super.
Be advised, your replacement Titan
Guckt einer bei mir hin drauf.
Ah, ist kacke.
Da kann man aussteigen.
Ja, ja, klar.
Und dann schieße ich ihn runter und dann raus. Geil, Rollkups.
Be advised, your replacement Titan will be ready.
We've got about half of what we need. Keep the pressure on those hardpoints.
Your replacement Titan is ready for launch. See
Ja, ich hab den Ninja Rodeo gekillt.
Hardpoint Bravo is secure, but we still need Alpha and Charlie.
Jawohl, Victory.
We just lost Charlie.
Wäre der Platz. Ach, ich bin ja noch drin.
We're taking Alpha.
Jetzt aber nicht mehr.
They're almost at Hardpoint Charlie. It's in that building dead ahead. Just control of Hardpoint Alpha.
Fuck.
All units, it's a very close fight. Closer than I'd like. Step it up down there.
Ja, wie blöd, da wollte neu hupsen und ist neben dran gesprungen. Das war wohl nix. Und fertig.
Pilot, you're approaching Charlie. Watch for hostiles.
Oh.
Heute keiner hat's geschafft, ins Flugzeug von der Gegner.
Das ist jetzt F. Ah, okay.
We're losing Bravo. Pilot, you're approaching Alpha. Watch for hostiles. We just lost Hardpoint Bravo. Get over there and patch me in.
Level 11 schon.
Warning, another Titan is attacking you.
So.
We just lost Charlie.
Warning, threat
Dann
level
mache ich jetzt mal den Abflug.
Jo.
critical damage.
Denn
Check your HUD, Pilot.
bis jetzt Zuschauer. Zuschauer.
Check your map.
Tausends.
Warning, excessive damage sustained.
User disconnected from your channel.
What we need to complete the mission. Don't let up on those hard points. You're picking that button. We're taking Charlie. We're taking Bravo. We're in the lead, pilot. Keep it up.
Damage core online.
We're in the lead, pilot. You're doing well.
Damage core activated.
We're taking Charlie.
You now have increased
We
damage
now have
output.
control of hardpoint Bravo. We now have control of hardpoint Charlie.
Friendly pilot on board. Damage core offline.
We're losing Alpha.
Friendly pilot has left your Titan.
We just lost hardpoint Alpha. I got nothing. Someone get over there. Tech 6 to all units. It's been a close battle. We've got a slight lead on the enemy. Keep it together and
Another
we'll win this
Titan
one.
is attacking you. Critical. Warning, reactor
Pilot, you're close to a hardpoint. Check your map. It's in-
Alter, geht das ab hier?
We just lost hardpoint Bravo. Get over there and patch me in. We're taking Bravo. We're taking Alpha. We're now in control of hardpoint Alpha. Tech 6 to all ground units.
Jawohl.
Militia have been defeated. Excellent work.
Be advised, the militia forces have been defeated, but enemy survivors remain in your area. Do not allow them to escape. Do not allow any militia ground forces to escape.
Ach ja. Fast Level Up. Schade. Ah, du bist's. Hopp, dann höre ich jetzt fürs erste Mal auf mit Stream kurz und kommt dann später wieder mit nur Stream, nur Multiplayer. Ohne Pälzisch Gebabbel. Sag ich mal so. Hingehauen!